Logic 0, example 14.2, a single premise argument. It is possible to have an argument where there's only one premise. And so we might have something like this. And we're going to do a truth table analysis to see if this argument is valid. It has two variables. All right. And we can evaluate all of this very quickly. And the colon gets an underscore. And negation is going to get a space, and the open parenthesis is going to get an underscore. So I'm just going to copy both those all the way down. And we have that for A. We have two spaces for conjunction and negation. Whoop. All right. And I'm going to negate those. And now we're going to do conjunction. And conjunction is the last thing that we came to within the parentheses, and this negation is directly next to the parentheses, so it's negating everything in the parentheses. And the dominant operation within those parentheses is conjunction, so we're negating this column that's under conjunction. So false becomes true, true becomes false, false becomes true, and false becomes true. Now, this argument only has one premise, and the claim being made is under every interpretation where this premise is true, the conclusion, what comes after the colon, is also true. So that means the first row is significant. Is the conclusion true here? Yes. Okay. So that's something affirmative. Not a significant row in the second row. Third row is significant, and the conclusion is true. Okay. So far, so good. And the last row is significant and also is affirmative of the claim of the argument. So if we don't have a hash mark, then the argument is valid. So if there's no hash mark, the argument is valid. And of course, we need our closing tag.